Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 20, 2022, 4 hours Sudoku. Second row, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second grade, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 1. Column G, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. First grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Seventh row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, third row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 2, 6. Column H, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 4. Third row, we have 2. And 8th also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.